Hello friends, welcome to Bill's Coaching. Today I am going to solve one proof, and after solving this proof we can say that 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so we all know that 2 is not equal to 1, but I came across this proof on social media and it took me about 5 minutes to actually understand where the mistake is. So I am solving the same proof in front of you. So proof goes like this. We'll take two numbers. Let A is equal to B. I am taking this first assumption and I'll multiply this equation by A. Multiply 1 by A. Now what we'll get? A into A is A square, A into B is AB. I'll subtract B square from this. Subtract B square from above. So I'll get as A square minus B square and AB minus B square. Same equation. Now this identity I can write it as A minus B, A plus B, and here I'll take B common, we'll get A minus B. Okay. Now look at this same term. I'll take this term downwards. A minus B, A plus B is equal to B. A minus B, I can cancel this out. This becomes A plus B, B. We can directly cancel out from here also if you want. Now in this equation what I'll do, A is equal to B. In place of A I'll write as B. This is B, so I'll get 2B is equal to B. You just cancel out this and what remains is B is equal to 1. I'll write substitute A is equal to B. Okay, so here we got a result 2 is equal to 1. So this is very interesting proof actually, and obviously something is wrong in this proof because we know 2 is not equal to 1. Okay, so pause this video for some time, check this proof and try to figure it out what is wrong in this. Okay, before explaining this, what is the error in this, I would really thank you all for supporting my videos and giving you so many likes and shares for my videos. Do check my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on Instagram and Facebook, I've already given my link above. Okay, so did you figure it out? What is wrong in this? Okay, so I'll explain you now. Just look at this step. Before cancelling out, what we have written in first equation, A is equal to B, right? So if A is equal to B, we can say that A minus B is equal to 0, right? Here, what we got? Here, I'll write from here, okay? This is A minus B, A plus B is equal to B, A minus B, right? I brought this over here like this step. A plus B will be equal to B. Now we cancelled this, but whatever cancellation we have done over here, that is the mistake and that is the error actually. Because what is A minus B? A minus B is 0. We can write it as 0, A plus B upon 0 is equal to B. Anything upon 0 is not defined. Okay, 0 upon 0 is not defined. So this is the error, and because of this error, whatever answer we are getting 2 is equal to 1 is incorrect. So this proof is wrong because of this. I am going to explain you one more part, okay, so that you can understand better. I'll take one number as 3, one number as 7, whatever it is, okay. Now if I multiply it by 0, what will be the answer? 3 into 0, 0. I'll multiply by 0, 7 into 0 is 0. So 0 is equal to 0, right? I can write this. But remember, I cannot cancel it out. Okay? The result which are remaining is 7 is equal to 3 will give us wrong result. You cannot cancel 0 directly. You cannot divide 0 by 0. That is not defined. This was the only error in this proof. and we got very wrong answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting our videos. Do like, share and leave your comment below. Thank you so much.